What's up, you guys? Go home, Barracuda here. I don't know if you guys saw that snowstorm last night, but here's the aftermath of it. Yeah, you want to see how high it goes up here? I'll step out. Now, I'm not wearing any shoes, so... There we go. After some of it fell in, there you go. There's a bare footprint from Go Home Barracuda. Now, I don't know if you guys saw it, but look at the cars and shit. I mean, holy moly. You see? Very, very deep snow. There's got to be like 30 school cancellations today. I mean, I'd say 6 to 8 inches or so. Oh my lord. Anyway, I gotta go back inside. Feet are getting cold. Yeah, anyway, I mean, all that snow, can you believe that? I mean, we had one of our friends leave, and it was still snowing when they came back. They were gone for like 8 hours. I don't know, I was asleep when she came back, but anyway. You know, I mean, it was, you know, so weird. You know, there's probably like every school in the North Country closed. It's like really, really bad, you know? I mean, I haven't seen a snowfall this bad since, I don't know, probably during the ice storm or a couple winters ago. But yeah, this is where the bad times, you know, where there's more snow on the road than there is asphalt. I'm sure you guys have seen those blizzards. Probably like a whiteout or something, but yeah, we got a lot of snow. They plowed the roads, but they haven't plowed the driveway, so yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show people what happens when we had a mild winter and then all of a sudden flurries come out of nowhere. So anyway, everyone, this is Go Home Barracuda signing off. Y'all take care now.